Lians na nga ba yung best unlimited samgyupsalan sa Metro Manila? Sobrang tagal na namin gusto i-try dito sa Lian since they opened years ago pa. Kaya lang, ewan ko din why we didn't get the chance to go. And sobrang happy ko after finally trying it. And as highly recommended by the Lovey Life. Thanks friend for bringing us here. Pagtapos namin matry ito, bumalik din ako agad with the sisters naman for my birthday last October. And yes, nasa pricier side yung only option sa Lians kasi naman look at the meat quality oh. Good marbling, super tender and flavorful, especially when cooked right talaga. I love rin the simplicity when it comes to their side dishes. Hindi overwhelming yung options pero sure ka na walang tapon. Sobrang favorite dito yung sweetened peanuts, potato salad, and yung salad with sweet and tangy dressing. May additional 150 pesos for unlimited melty beef na ang sarap din talaga pero kahit sa butchesal pa lang, solve na solve na. And their cheese, sobrang okay yung quality. Kahit super simple lang ng place, yung customer service